What we know so far that sometime after 3 today, citizens reportedly hearing explosions in the area, and they made some checks sometime after 5 where they saw the bodies of 3 individuals from their community and alerted the police. On arrival, the police saw the bodies of 3 individuals, 2 males and a female. From all indication, they are family. It must appear to be a mother, father and a son. The son has been identified as a 16-year-old student, Orlando Wellington of the Innswood High School in St. Catherine. Both parents, one work at an auto parts place in Spanish Town and the other work as a cashier at a supermarket. What we are trying to ascertain now is what could have been the motivation behind this particular incident. They are using whatever lines of inquiries that they are following to see if they can actually put bits and pieces of this investigation together. Not much is known now, so the members of the scenes of crime are there processing the scene. The investigation is being led by detectives from the Major Investigation Division, and that is done in collaboration with the investigators from the St. Catherine North Division. So they are hoping that sooner or later they may have some concrete information that can even inform the arrest of some persons. Based on what they are saying and looking at the scene, it's a little different from the normal scenes that they have seen, in that the female, based on information that they gather from the relatives, is said to be pregnant. But they also noticed that the hands of the victims were bound, and that, based on their experience as senior investigators, suggests a direction that they should be looking at in terms of the investigation. But they're a very competent team of investigators on this case, and I think the effort right now is to see how best they can find the person or persons responsible so that they can get some closure for the family. A lot of persons are mourning. We're just into the back to school time now and the school has lost a student. So we really want to appeal to individuals. We're of the opinion that there might be persons in the community who are aware of who the perpetrators may be, and we would love for them to give us the information, whatever information they have, so that we can arrest those persons individually as quickly as possible. Because when you have those persons at large, one of the things that you see in cases like these is the whole question of reprisal. So we want to act very quickly to take the matter into our own and to have the investigators treat with the matter. So if you know who the persons are, we really want them to report the matter to the police so we can deal with it, because when it is done otherwise, then we continue to see this cycle of killing and reprisal. So whatever information you have, there are avenues out there that you can make these reports and be anonymous. You can call Crime Stop at 311. You can call the NIB helpline hotline at 811. You can actually go to the detectives at Spanish Town. If you're not feeling comfortable going to Spanish Town, you can actually make your way to Kingston at the NCB South Tower. That's where you have the CIB headquarters as well as the headquarters for the Major Investigation Division. So we want to do